So I thought it would be interesting to show one technique of debugging live Volto websites, and this is nothing fancy. I mean, it's not something that's very specific to Volto, but probably can be applied to any other websites. So I have this problem that the image in the header here, there's supposed to be an image, and it doesn't show up unless, for example, I go like so. This is the image that's supposed to show up, but it doesn't if I use the server-side rendering. So my problem that I want to debug right now is why this panoramic image has this wrong URL. And for that, we can debug live code. If we go to sources and then go to webpack, the dot, and then node modules, and actually I'm not 100% sure what component I should be debugging, but I'm guessing that it's gonna be in our Volto freshwater, and probably customizations, theme, header, yeah, must be something from here. Okay, so now that I've located my component, and notice in the source tab I go to webpack, right? So it should be lead image URL, get scale URL, get path. So lead image URL, it's used here and then here. So this one probably needs to be adjusted, but just to showcase the technique, I'm gonna add this breakpoint here, and then we have to trigger the breakpoint. And one example would be to try to resize to see if the component re-renders, but if it doesn't, I'll just refresh the page, and now notice that it's reading the source map and it's compiling, and yep, I'm here, and on my right side I can see the local scope, right? So, and I can step through functions, so I can do like step over, and now I have in my local scope I have lead image URL, this props lead image. I'm not sure. I'm not sure that it shows up okay, but scale, get scale URL. Yeah. In any case, I have to debug this further to understand, and it's not relevant to what I'm trying to show. What I was trying to show is how to use the webpack to dig into the code, into the components, and set a breakpoint so you can investigate the values of variables and components in live code.